Greenwood stocks market recap and hot stocks to watch. Been a while, but we had a very special day today. So again, hot sectors. We got to pay attention to the sectors that are heating up. And today we finally got the breakout we've been looking for. $1 trillion infrastructure bill passed, and now we see all the stocks all of a sudden explode. So first of all, the biggest play, the biggest attraction, I guess, is going to be Lucid. So with Lucid, we got some pumping, we got a little bit of everything. And what ended up happening is all of these stocks started to run, and we got sympathy, and we got all kind of stuff going on. So basically, this is the market that we've been looking for. We finally got it, and now we're just going back to see exactly what happened, how you can take advantage of it, and how to position yourself for bigger moves. So again, elusive, it's everywhere. Let's go into a little bit of fundamental, a little bit of the fundamentals. I mean, the stock now has basically a bigger market cap. It's worth more money than Ford and GM. So again, EV is the future. You just got $1 trillion pumped into the infrastructure. So hey, this is the future. So again, we're looking at Jim Cramer. Even Jim Cramer's here, talking about Lucid Motors, right? So again, what's the future? I mean, they sold a lot of cars, and then they also have lots more manufacturing to do. It doesn't look like they have any constraints to their supply line and supply chain. So I mean, they're just wide open. I mean, these EVs may have more cars rolling off the line than regular cars. So again, just wanted to point you to some fundamental stuff. And so again, that spawned GOEV. GOEV ran like a wild man. We got in here at 1050, and you see now stock almost hit 1250. So again, we're in the money on these calls. Looking at FSR, we also got in this around 2022 when it spiked to 23 and pulled back. Actually, we got in this first spike, somewhere around 22 and 23. So you see it's at 24. Again, another electric vehicle. They got some news from the LA car show, I believe, the LA auto show. So you see where, a lot of people are at the show. They're revealing their SUVs and the different models that they have. So again, everybody's just showing off their talent and letting the world know that they are the leading, or going to be in big competition for all of the EV money. I mean, you got a lot of governments that are making cars zero emissions by 2030, so it's what they're saying. So again, this is a big sector to run. We actually talk about this exact very thing in our book, and we talk about the sector rotation, playing the hot sector. So again, this was it. SPI has a electric vehicle division of their company as well. So again, they got some news. They have Edison Future Link suggesting registrations could go live soon. Maybe they have some cars rolling off the lot that you can register for. Don't really know what that's exactly about. But then they also talked about $421 million, 4.21 million convertible promissory notes. So again, they just got a lot of things going on. I always say it starts with a pop. Okay, you see it popped 2 days ago, pulled back once again. Today pops again and pulls back, and then all of a sudden, but we finally caught it. We normally miss those. We finally caught this pop, got in, and got us calls. So again, these calls are in the money. They should be going anywhere from 200 to 1,000% by tomorrow. So yeah, everything's good to go. Had a couple of more stocks that actually did good. We got about 400% on Playboy, I believe. So again, basically, I'm sorry, we got 231% on Playboy. Again, you're just looking at the percentage of the delta to the ask. So again, if you're looking at the ask, they're asking $2.52 and the delta is 54 cents. So for every dollar, you're going to add 54 cents to this price, okay? Minus the time decay. So, you know, you want the stock to be going at least at the rate of the theta or more because this time decay. But again, it's all based on earnings. It's all based on the catalyst. Stock started at $30, ran all the way to 42. We sold out somewhere around 38, close to 39. And so sometimes you got to take profits, and that's pretty much it. I mean, you got lots of stock. Oh, the Trump pump, ELEK. So again, ELEK, we got in late. We actually got in around 270 and rolled all the way up to almost $6. So again, we'll see what this does tomorrow. Someone that is connected to Trump that became a major shareholder in this company, apparently it's a big deal. So sometimes it's not all about the fundamentals. It's about knowing the story. We see what DWAC did with the Trump connection. So with DWAC going nuts from $9 to $175, it gives you an idea of what ELEK can do. So it's pretty much all I have. Just watch the market tomorrow. Look for sympathy plays, don't chase. And, you know, you should find yourself in better positions than if you are chasing something that's already up too much. So you got anything for us? Intrinsic?
Yeah, for me right now, my main thing is I built a swing position in Nordstrom, so I'm gonna be holding them this week to kind of see how they play out. And I have Tilray and AMC on my radar, just looking for a good entry. Definitely bullish on both of those plays, but with those two, entry is really key for me. So that's what I have on my radar.
Yeah, Tilray, it looks like we retraced at least twice. So I mean, this support should become pretty solid. I mean, cannabis is always tricky. I mean, it shakes, it runs, it stops, it pops. I mean, you see a huge pop from 9 to, you know, almost $12. And then the next, you know, next few days, you're back right where you started. So looks like it's kind of trying to break out though now. I can see 16 in the near future. But again, if you get profits on cannabis, until they pass big legislation, just plan on taking profits on the way up. But yeah, we got a big day. A lot of stocks gapping up tomorrow, and we just want to continue this momentum and make sure we capitalize. So that's pretty much it. If you got any questions, give us a shout. Also, we have a new premium Discord options channel. So if you got questions on options, you want to see what we're doing, the plays we're posting, then you can get in. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. Like, share, subscribe. It's the bell icon button if you want every video that we post, and so you can be updated on the latest developments and everything we do. Shoot us an email, greenwoodstocktrading@gmail.com. You can DM us on Twitter or Instagram or Facebook, and catch us on the green side. Have a good one. God bless.